Shut it off, because you're trying to run on me.
Oh, I didn't.
Pretty good. Weren't you here last time? Got the tag? Yeah? I remember you from last time, too.
He got the tag this time. It's on there.
Tom!
Oh.
I'm Officer Huddleston, Murphy Police Department. Reason for the stop is your speed 67 and a 40, and they've been out stopping for me after passing multiple areas to stop. You got your driver's license, insurance?
You said I didn't stop for you?
Yeah.
I did.
Do me a favor, hop off the bike.
Okay.
Take your helmet off.
Oh, am I getting arrested?
Are you?
I don't know. Take off my helmet?
Yeah, your helmet can be used as a weapon, so I don't want it.
What? That's crazy.
Oh my God, bro. Oh, hell no, man. What the
fucking key. Hey, how's it going? I just got pulled over by Murphy Police and he didn't give me my key back, so I'm just stranded here.
He didn't get your what back?
He didn't get my key back. He just took my keys. Yeah.
Okay, where exactly are you?
Hold on, let me find it.
That's what I figured. Hey, man. Sorry about that. He literally had to go take it back to the shop, and he calls me right as I was pulling up to the PD, right when you had called 911. I was like, it's convenient time, and I'll bring him back.
Hey,
You got your license on there?
can I ask what for?
That stunt you guys are pulling back there.
So what was that?
That stunt you guys are pulling back there.
Who's you guys? That's plural. I didn't do anything.
Wait, are you with him?
Well, no, you pulled out and you put your lights on, so I think that means stop, right?
I thought you with him. Are you
So
with
am I good to go?
Yeah, just
All right, cool.
have a talk with him, because that was not necessary.
All right.
Your license plate should not readable, man.
All right.
No. That's definitely not readable.
Oh shit! I've never hit dirt roads, so I can fix that.
Yeah, you gotta fix that.
I pay my taxes.
You're with him. You can stay here until I'm done talking to him.
Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, this is how you smooth things over.
I'm sorry, bro. That was dumb. I'm dumb.
Your driver's license?
Yep.
Yeah, I stopped you for your speed.
Yeah, bro. I didn't have to wait for you to turn on the lights. That was hello.
So I thought I stopped you last year to give you a warning. There's a citation here today. What I'm setting you at though is 80 and a 70. It's the lowest fine.
You stopped me last year
Yeah,
on this?
not on this. No, I was in your car.
Okay. Oh, at night.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So just a warning today.
Okay.
Or, I mean, just a citation today, but
Okay.
it's
Got me excited.
way down. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
It's there. Directions are on the back side. Take care of it. You have 30 days to do that. My
All
phone,
right.
my mail address.
I appreciate it. Thank you.
Got any questions for me?
No, I'll slow it down. Thank
Okay.
you.
All right. We're good to go.
Thank you.
How's it going?
Good. Getting cold out there for that?
Hands are a little chilly, but how's your day going, officer?
It's going.
Yeah? Oops, sorry, I don't mean to touch your car. Do you guys do like a routine thing through here?
Sometimes, yeah.
Okay, I was gonna say, I see you guys come.
We try to come through and
Heck yeah.
kind of just take a look around. So
Yeah. The hands get a little cold when the sun's out, but other than that, dude, it feels great.
good.
Yeah. Oh yeah, yeah. Well, appreciate
Watch
it.
out for that sporadic patch of ice.
The ice and then the rocks are the biggest thing for us, but
Yeah, I bet.
yeah.
Okay, guys, enjoy your day.
You have a great rest of your night. Thank you.
Dale, dale, dale.
drinking, man? Also, I forgot to advise you. You have a warrant out for your arrest.
A what?
For the city of El Paso.
Really?
Yeah, with PD. If PD was here right now, if I was PD, I would take you and your bike to jail.
For what?
It's a warrant already. So you may want to take care.
Shut it off. Shut it off, because you're trying to run on me.
No, I didn't. I have my camera running.
Yeah. What'd you do?
What do you mean? I just got done eating.
Nope.
From
What'd you do? You just tried to go off, right?
No, I didn't.
Yeah, and you popped the clutch, and now you're beat for it.
No, what are you talking about? From where? On.
So license, registration, proof of insurance.
My camera's been rolling the whole time.
Yeah, that's fine. You just blew the road down.
What road? I've been cruising
Right
this.
here.
I've been cruising.
I just watched you do it.
Hi there.
Hello.
You didn't do anything wrong, so which way are you heading? Yeah, I wouldn't go up there, man. It is dumping snow.
Is it?
Yeah, at the top.
Okay, I looked on the...
Just past Mud Lake, which is about a couple k's past the turnoff for 3B. It's already starting to sleet, and then up top it's snow.
Oh, like actual...
Like actual snow.
Okay, because I looked on the pass and it looked like it was on the sides, but I didn't see it on the road.
I wouldn't... Like, cars are coming down, and they've got snow embedded in their grills already.
Okay.
Like, I ride, I wouldn't risk it.
Okay. Yeah, because...
I mean, it's your call, man. I can't stop you, but I wouldn't ride in that. Like, it's already down to like 1-ish, and then I turned around, but my partner went up higher, and he said, "There's no point going up higher because it's snowing like crazy." I wouldn't go up there if I was you, but
yeah, like there's no. Do you know if there's any tire tracks, or is it like?
I could just check. Hold on 2 seconds.
Holy man, guys! My first pullover, and I didn't do anything wrong, but I'm heading up a pass right now, and it's raining, so there might be snow up top. So he's gonna check and see. Really nice cop.
Well, I'm glad we got you down here instead of up there.
No, for sure. Appreciate it.
Yeah, it's like you didn't do anything wrong, but I wouldn't take that up there. So, no.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, thank you guys.
Yeah, no worries. Good luck.
Yeah. Thank you.
Eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true.